So with this forecast in mind, Rochester Mayor Malik Evans today calling on city residents to help their fellow neighbors. Christian Garzone has more on this. Christian, what are you looking at?
Now we're just seeing some drizzle out here, Adam, but we know in the next hour or so plenty of snow will start. That's according to Eric Snidel. Now, Mayor Malik Evans today hit on something hard today. Sidewalks like this one over here, still unplowed. He says this in many ways is a civic responsibility. Mayor Malik Evans today observed the calm this afternoon. The quiet, he says, before the winter whirlwind that should be starting, well, just about now and will last into Friday.
And we are having in our forecast a heavy snowstorm that's coming.
Commissioner Richard Perrin of Environmental Services says over 120 pieces of equipment are gearing up to go.
That way, when the snow starts coming down, they're ready to hit the streets.
Now, Evans says when it comes to clearing sidewalks, the city will start to plow those off when snow levels hit 4 inches.
We spend a good amount of money making sure that we keep those sidewalk clears, but that's not enough just for the city to do it.
About $8 million every year. But Evans wants to emphasize sidewalk clearing is a supplemental service.
Residents and business owners have an important role to play here.
Evans says outlined in city code, property owners, landlords, and commercial properties are required to keep sidewalks clear of snow and ice. If sidewalks are not clear, many pedestrians, he says, take to the roadways to walk.
That enhances or increases the likelihood of them being hit by a car, and it's just not plain safe.
Also, look out for those homebound residents who aren't able to shovel, and if able, help clear off wheelchair ramps.
If you see the snow piling up in front of their driveway, just knock on their door. Help them.
Additionally, be on the lookout for fire hydrants that might become buried. Getting through this, he says, comes down to being a good Rochesterian.
So I am begging, I am imploring for our neighbors to do their part to use this.
His shovel's a little bigger than mine there, but Evans also wants to remind residents to observe the alternate parking rules to make room for plows and ensure smooth snow removal. Live in Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, Teresa, right back to you.
All right, Christian, thank you. Looks pretty calm out there right now. Evans did add if anyone has any questions or issues with the snow removal process across the city, all you have to do is call 311.